Hi! In front of me is VIVO IQOO U5X, and today I would like to show you how you can block app notifications. First of all, go into Settings and scroll down to access notifications. Then tap on App Settings and click on the switcher next to one of your apps from which you want to block notifications, like Chrome. You can switch them back on the same way. If you wish to, you can also just click on one of your apps on the left and manage all notifications from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!